It was a day committed to improving Buffalo. For the fourth year, the Bills hosted a full-staff volunteer day. This year, the Bills worked with the Buffalo Olmsted Parks Conservancy to improve Delaware Park in the areas of the Marcy Casino and Rose Garden.
Well, this is one of my favorite days of the year. The Buffalo Bills staff volunteer like no other group, work really hard for us and get a lot done and seem to have a good time doing it. So we got a bunch of projects going on simultaneously. We've got some trees getting planted. We got some pathway work happening, raking out asphalt cinders. We're resurfacing a playground, and we got people working in the Rose Garden. So variety of projects happening, and gonna really sort of transform this whole park in a matter of 3 hours with this group.
Senior VP of Communications Scott Berchtold stressed the importance of giving back to the community.
The Buffalo Bills, I don't think it's any secret to anybody that how much we do in our community, and we're very proud of that. We're much more than just a football team on the football field on Sunday afternoons. We're a very big part of this fabric of this community, and we're very proud of that. And on days like today, this is where we get out here, roll up our sleeves, get a little dirty, as we're saying here in the park, in terms of getting everything done. And by the time we're done with today, we will have seen enough mulch.
The park cleanup is also part of the Bills' ongoing commitment to the Play 60 program.
We want the parks to be clean, to be safe for the kids when they come in here, and do the Play 60 that we talk so much about.
I think it's critically important that residents have good parks to have a great city, to improve quality of life. And the Conservancy partners, works with the City of Buffalo hand in hand, keeping these parks in great shape. And we're able to bring in volunteer groups like the Bills and others to help us do our work and help us get more done just to keep these parks looking great.
From Delaware Park, I'm Alexandra Vitale.